Final video to fix Lords of the Fallen not launching, crashing, or freezing. Are you frustrated because the game won't start, crashes randomly, or freezes during gameplay no matter what you try? This usually happens because of corrupted game files, outdated graphics drivers, or conflicts with your system settings and background apps. Many solutions online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, asking you to reinstall the game, tweak hidden system files, or run complex commands, which can waste hours and still not work. But today on Rexist, I'll show you a secret easy trick that fixes this problem quickly and safely in just a few simple steps. First, we'll verify and repair the game files to remove any corruption. Then update your GPU drivers and Windows components to ensure compatibility. And finally, adjust in-game settings and close conflicting background apps to prevent freezes and crashes. This method works on almost all PC setups, keeps your saved data safe, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. If you want to make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly what to do to get Lords of the Fallen running perfectly, leave a comment below, and I'll guide you through it on Rexist. Try this trick today and finally enjoy smooth, crash-free gameplay without frustrating freezes or launch issues.